Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Vinatri Anggita and I will tell you about the film I like. The name is Hachiko. This film the part of the same story, the true story of a dog's loyalty to this master, waiting for its master to come home at the station. Hachi, the very loyal dog, with extraordinary announcement faithfully waited for his master at the door of the train station, where the master used to come home after teaching. Even when his master has died, Hachi still showed his loyalty by continuing to wait for 10 years. Amazing and very touching. In fact, the outline of the film story is just that simple. However, it turns out this simple story does not bring the film to a predictable form. Instead, the outline seems to be a trigger for watching this film. Because in the end, the audience's initial knowledge of Hachiko will rise curiously about the definition of the human-dog relationship in the film. And frankly, Les Hallström is able to describe the relationship in an amazing way. Hachi as a simple film carries a simple message too. The message that has been written on the advertising poster for this film about loyalty and eternal love. By continuously waiting for 10 years at the station door, Hachi seems to bring you to a new definition of waiting. Hachi points out that waiting is not boring, but tend to be moving. This film is based on a story in Japan in 1920. An Akita dog named Hachi, who faithfully waits for his desired owner, Professor Uno, in front of Shibuya train station every day for 10 years. In Japan, this story is very famous. So famous that a statue of Hachi was built right where he waited every day in front of the station. Many tourists would come there just to take a picture with the statue of Hachi. This story can indeed make everyone who hears it touched, where a dog's loyalty can exchange a human. In Japan, the story about Hachi has also been made into many films and cartoons. Until now, Hollywood has made a film based on this story. Telling the same story as the story, this a film introduces you to Hachi, an Akita dog who is very cute and sweet. Hachi accidentally meets Professor Parker Wilson, or Richard Gere, at the train station when the professor is on his way home. Parker tries to find the owner of Hachi by posting brochures around the place, but no one recognizes Hachi. Finally, Parker, who had fallen in love with Hachi, decided to take care of him at home. Did not agree with this intention, because she felt that it would very difficult to raise a dog. But after seeing husband and the child love Hachi very much, Cat related. Hachi is a very smart dog. Every day he takes Parker to the station and then return there at 5 p.m. to pick him up. This Hachi did very day for 2 years, until one day the professor did not come home. Hachi waited and always waited, but Parker never come again. Hachi, who really loved Parker, ended up waiting up the station every day for 10 years. People around the station already knew Hachi, such as a hot dog seller, the station attendant, and others. They took pity on Hachi, then fed him and greeted him every day. I watched this movie twice and I managed to make me cry a lot. I already can't stand watching sad movie, especially those with animal the theme. Thank you.